Hi guys, today we have a Ford Mustang. Let's see how HUDWAY Drive works here and how it looks on the dashboard. As you know, Mustang models have very flat surface. I mean, very flat shape of dashboard, and HUDWAY Drive fits perfectly on it. It has small and compact size and absolutely doesn't block your view. It is very comfortable to see your direction and speed in front of your eyes. At the same time, you can receive calls and see all notifications without distraction. So look, through video signal cable you can connect your rear view camera or side mirror cameras or even night vision cameras, and I will show you how to set it up in my next video.